Assalamualaikum. We are still in week 22, second class. So let's discuss on the answers on articles. Okay, let's look at B. We look at A first. Definite articles and indefinite articles. I think you guys should know. I already mentioned it above here, where definite article is the, while indefinite article is and n. So let's look at B. So for number 1, the answer is C. Number 2, the answer is E, a singular countable noun with a general meaning. Number 3, B. Number 4, A. Number 5, F. And then number 6, D. Hope everyone got this one correct. And if we look at this one, we use the indefinite articles or n with singular countable nouns. Benda boleh dikira dah. Benda yang boleh dikira. And then it's singular. Satu benda yang boleh dikira with general meanings or when we mention them for the first time. Bila kita baru je mention dia, we use ataupun n. And then we use definite article the with countable and uncountable nouns with a specific meaning. Benda yang kita spesifik, kita dah memang dah betul-betul cakap pasal spesifik benda, and the noun has already been mentioned. Maksudnya kita dah sebut dah benda tu dulu sebelum. Nanti we will look at the answer for the next exercise. Okay, we don't use or an or the with plural nouns. Maksudnya noun yang banyak. Benda yang banyak, kita tak guna articles or uncountable nouns with general meaning. Contoh water yang kita tak tahu, ataupun sea, not specific sea. So we don't use any articles there. Alright, let's discuss the first one. The first one, there is an elephant. So this is indefinite articles. The elephant, so it's referred to the same elephant, that's why it used the. It been mentioned the second time. John is a teacher, so first time, so no need. Number 3, there's nothing there. Millions of people, we are talking about general, so and it's plural, so millions of people, no articles there. He plays the piano very well, so his parent wants to buy him. Number 4, he plays piano very well. Number 4, so his parent want him to buy him a piano for his birthday. Alright, so next one, this is something, what do you call it, common noun. So there's only one Sahara Desert. Okay, in. Number 6, in the 80s. And then no article there because this is a proper noun. Number 7, the moon. There's only one moon, and its orbit the Earth. Only one Earth, specific Earth, specific. Okay, I saw an octopus. The octopus. Everyone should try to help. Okay, number 9, the poor. They're talking about the specific poor people. There is an article in the Times. Ni artikel ni apa penulisan bukan artikel the same thing as the and tu. Times is a newspaper about the Alps. Alps ni adalah mountain. I love music. So music here is an uncountable noun. But the music, so this one is specific, that's why I got the. is Jess. Jess pun dia general to general, so that's why there's no article there. Alright, try to write in comment section how many of you got 11 out of 11, meaning all correct there. Okay, and then let's read about the angel falls. So beautiful, but I think deadly as well. Alright, let's look at this one. Nah, angel fall is the highest. Biasanya bila ada EST, artikel mesti kena the lah. It's situated in the specific tempat because of its Venezuelan. Nobody in number 3, the outside world, knew about angel fall until 1935. However, the local, all because of specific lah. And then number 5 pun the juga. Number 6 is named in the juga. Number 7 an American pilot, but this first time dia baru bagi tahu kali pertama, was flying his plane along the. Number 8 is the. Number 9, but the wheels specific juga, so that's why it's the. Got stuck, and 3 other passengers had to walk down from the juga, the top. Number 11, it took them 11 days, but people, there's nothing there, no articles there. People all around the world learn of his adventure and existence. Number 12, the answer is the waterfall, because talking about the specific waterfall. He became a legend. Number 13, and the falls were named after him 33 years later. Number 14, a helicopter lifted Jimi Angel's plane from the mountain, and today it is in front of the airport because it's specific airport. And then Jimmy was hurt very badly while he was landing an aeroplane set. And then the last one, in Panama. There's no answer there. Alright, so again, write in this comment section how many of you got 17 out of 17 here. Okay, so today we are going to do a bit of informal writing. Okay, when you are writing informal, biasanya informal ni we are writing to our friends, to our relative, someone we are close to lah. So make sure you include useful expression untuk bagikan dia, to show closeness in your writing. So this is, you need to include friendly greetings or questions. For example, greeting is simple je, hi, hello. Question, how are you, how are things, how is it going. You don't have to write all the questions, just choose one or two je lah. You can end with a friendly way too, just bye, ataupun bye for now, or see you soon, speak to you later, that's all for now, write soon. And then there are other expressions as well, like for example, sorry for not answering your last email, it's great to hear from you, I really miss you, write back soon, tell me about it, I love reading your emails, or good luck. There's several there lah. So let's look at this email and underline together the useful expression used by the writer. So for of all, this is one lah, hi, and then how are things, it's great to hear from you, I really miss you. So that's the 3 useful expression there. It's an interesting project. Okay, why don't you write about the special day? Boleh juga use, it sounds so close together lah. And then good luck with your project, please write back and tell me about it, bye. So that's some of the things that you can use lah. And then try to read it. It's quite a good email lah for you to. Okay, and then after that, continue by doing this one. Try to do B. What type of email? What will it be about? What does your friend need? will it be informal or formal for this one? And then continue by doing C. C is based on this one. Read the email again and then do C. And then match the paragraph with the correct number, the example of the email. For example, there's 4 paragraphs here. This is the first one. This is the second one. This one is the third one. This one is the fourth one. So ada 4 paragraph kat situ lah. So for example, the friendly opening asking about the reader. This one is the first paragraph. Okay, your last task is I want you guys to do this one. You need to write an informal email. Write an email to your friend because it's your friend. So it should be informal lah. To your friend, asking about renewable energy. Okay, this one you need to do a bit of research lah. Try to do a bit of research to find what kind of renewable energy that you can talk about in your essay. So look at this one, renewable energy in your country. So what do you need to do? We are making posters at school about renewable energy around the world. I want to make mine about renewable energy in your country. So can you send me some information about it? So you need to write an email to your friend in England. Write about renewable energy. What is a renewable energy? Try to do research lah about this one. And then remember, you can use this useful expression in your essay. And then try to do it more or less something like this. Right, I think that's all for today. Try to do your best to write this email. If you have any problem, do ask. Thank you very much, everyone.